Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Jitendra Kumar Pandey. Today, we are going to discuss the topic light reaction of photosynthesis. After discussing this topic, the learning outcome will be you will able to explain how plants convert light energy into. You can clarify the role of chlorophyll, sunlight, water, and oxygen in light reaction, and you can explain the ecological balance that oxygen is produced and carbon dioxide is consumed. We can subdivide the topic into introduction, site and component of light reaction, mechanism of light reaction, types of light reaction, assignment and further readings. Then introduction, as we all know that the sun is the ultimate source of energy on the earth, and the photo is the process in which energy from sunlight is transformed into chemical energy that is stored in carbohydrates and other organic molecules. Photosynthesis is broadly divided into two parts, light reaction and dark reaction. In light reaction, photosynthesis, chlorophyll and other pigments absorb sunlight, initiating a chain of events that lead to the production of ATP and NADPH, which are energy-rich molecules. And in the dark reaction, plant utilizes NADPH and ATP to reduce the carbon dioxide into carbohydrate. As we all know, the chloroplasts are the semi-autonomous cell organelles. The light reaction takes place in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. The chloroplasts are flattened, disc-like sacs arranged in stalks called grana, and the thylakoids that interconnect the two grana are known as stroma thylakoids. The components, there are several components of the light reaction of photosynthesis. The first component is the pH2. The function of the first component, that is pH2, is to initiate the splitting of water molecule, that is also called photolysis, releasing oxygen, proton and electron. The reaction center of the pH2 contains a special type of chlorophyll molecule called as P680, which absorbs light at 680 nanometer. The electron flow, electrons excited in pH2 are passed down an electron transport chain generating ATP through chemios masses. Next component is the pH2. It is the second photosystem. It working after pH2 in the light reaction sequence. Its primary role is to use light energy to re-energize electrons received from pH2 and transfer them to NADP plus to form NADPH. These reaction centers contain a special type of chlorophyll known as P700, which absorbs light best at 700 nanometer. The main product of PS1 is the NADPH, which is used in the Kelvin cycle. There are several other components such as chlorophyll. It is the main pigment that captures the light energy. It present in the antenna system and light harvesting complex of both the photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Water is the electron donor of the pH2. Along with the electron, it generates proton also. Electron transport chain, there is a complete electron transport chain between pH2 and PS1 and after PS1 to NADPH and NADP plus final electron acceptor from NADPH. This diagram showing the arrangement of the various component of the light reaction in the thylakoid membrane. As we can see, the photosystem 2 is mainly present in the compressed region of the thylakoid, whereas the photosystem 1 and ATP synthase is present in the uncompressed region. The plastocyanin is connecting both the photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. This is the complete electron chain. Here we can see the chlorophyll P680 is receiving the photon, get excited, and this excited P680 donating the electron to pheophytin, from pheophytin to Qa, then Qb, then plastocyanin pool, then plastocyanin carrying the electron to P700, then excited P700 donating the electron A0, A1, Fx, Fa, Fe, Fb, Fd, and then the FNR, catalyzing the synthesis of the NADPH. This diagram showing the complete process. In the light reaction, the hydrogen ion is concentrated inside the lumen of the thylakoid, and with the help of ATP synthesis, the ATP is synthesizing, and NADP plus is used for the synthesis of NADPH. The light reaction is basically of two types. The basic one is the non-linear non-cyclic photophosphorylation, and second one is cyclic photophosphorylation. The non-cyclic photophosphorylation involving both the photosystem PS2 and PS1, whereas the cyclic photophosphorylation utilize only photosystem 1. The cyclic photophosphorylation is occurs for the additional synthesis of the ATP, whereas NADPH is synthesized by the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. In conclusion, the light reaction of the photosynthesis is the first crucial step in converting solar energy into the chemical energy. It occurs in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast and relies on the light to energize electrons. These high energy electrons are transferred through the electron transport chain, leading to the production of ATP and NADPH. Water molecules are split in the process, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. The ATP and NADPH generated are vital for the Calvin cycle, which synthesizes glucose. This is the this is the good books for the further reading. Here is the assignment. In the assignment, several objective questions are given which you have to solve. Thank you.